I wanted something that feels like a proper homemade dinner, but without breadcrumbs and without coating. So I make these pork rolls, and they really turn out just right. You will find the ingredients in the video description, and I am starting right away. I slice the meat into pieces about 1/2 centimeter thick. Then I gently pound each piece on both sides with a meat mallet. Next, I season the meat with salt and pepper on both sides. I rub one side only with ground paprika and my favorite spices that will be the outside of each roll. Stay with me till the end, because in a moment I will show you how I roll them so the cheese stays inside and nothing falls apart. I cut the bell pepper, pickles and yellow cheese into thin sticks. That way it is much easier to arrange everything neatly inside. I spread mustard on the side of each piece that only had salt and pepper. Then I add the pepper, pickle and cheese, roll everything up, and secure the sides with toothpicks. I really like this filling because it gives these rolls a lot of flavor, and once you cut them open, they look so much better than regular pork cutlets. I sear the rolls on both sides in a small amount of oil just until they pick up a little color. After a short sear, I remove the toothpicks from the rolls. Then I add bay leaves, allspice, tomato paste and water. I cover the pan and let everything simmer on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is the moment when the sauce really does the work, and the meat finishes gently so it stays juicy, not dry. And that is it. Enjoy! I like serving these with potatoes, with cooked vegetables, or simply on their own. If you enjoy simple lighter pork rolls like these, leave a like, leave a comment, and thank you for cooking with me today.